What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, still out in Orlando. I'm hitting you guys up with a ton of videos from Orlando. I'm driving all over the place. Got some Burlingtons, Ross, let's go. Out here, I am freaking addicted to these Burlington Ross visits because we've been finding a ton of heat. Let's go. Of course, we're starting with the active wear section. Haven't had too much luck at Burlington. We've been finding most of our things at Ross here. Then we come across this. It's not too bad. Majestic brand. If you're into baseball, if you're a Tampa Bay fan, I'd definitely buy these. Quality's not that bad. You know, 20 bucks a piece for these. That's a Nike dry fit jacket. This is pretty fire. Normally $65 down to $15. Oh, it's not a jacket. It's a pullover. My bad. Manchester United jacket. A windbreaker. 20 bucks. Really can't go wrong with that if you're into Manchester United. This is a small. Another one of these in the medium. Yeah, that's a hell of a deal. 17 bucks. Another one right here. Another pullover. 80 down to 25. Looks like these are for running. Then the shorts right here. No Mitchell & Ness luck for me. Have y'all been finding Mitchell & Ness stuff lately? I don't know. I know there was a big rush. But I don't know. I haven't found anything at Burlington in a while. Have I ever found anything at Burlington? I don't know. I don't remember. Of course, sneakers wise, it's been a different story. Starting with the bigger sizes, size 11, 12, it's 11.5. Got plenty of these. And by plenty, I'm not even exaggerating. One right here, one right there. Burlington special. Do got the Jamal Mashburns in various colorways. Got the Terra Kigers going for 60 bucks. Nike Infinity Tour Next Percent. Their premier golf cleats right here, $30. Not bad. Way cheaper than outlets. Got Vans. These are always omnipresent here at Burlington. We got a pair of E-Unos right here and one, 20 bucks. Another one of those. Another one of those, another one of these, and the bigger section in the size 12s, I think. And then got Hardens right here. These are huge. These are huge. What size 14s? Never seen this colorway before. 40 bucks. I feel like we find all kinds of like random colorways of the Hardens at these discount shops. Numerous colorways. These are small ones, big ones. All those going for 40 bucks. You got these huge Witnesses, 45. This is definitely not a 9.5, is it? It's in the 9.5 section. It's a 10.5. Got all white Trae Youngs as well going for 40. Got some more skate highs. This one has a piece, smiley face emoji, and a leaf on it. But yeah, these are 10.5 going for 35. More of these Infinity Tour Next Percents. No, the resellers like, just grab them. Grab them. No, I'm good. $30 for those. Another one right there. And then also another Trae Young. Another pair of and one, size 10. Some generic looking ones. I've never seen these, 20 bucks. I'm just saying you guys are like, all and ones are generic. Like, I can't really argue with that. Or argue against it. Because, yeah, and one really hasn't done anything well. New colorway of the Trae Youngs. What's that? The 4th different colorway we've seen here? 5th different colorway, actually. Wow. Then we got a pair of these Spider-Mans right here. This is the size 6.5 to 7 section. These are size 5. Down issue 3 Spider-Mans. These bad boys come for $33. More Donovan Mitchells right here. Size 5. $33. T-Max. Super small size going for $35. These some D-Rose lows. D-Rose lows. I didn't even know they make low tops. And 7.5 going for 40 bucks. And of course, we can't neglect the women's section, especially the size 10, since I've been buying a bunch of my kid stuff, and I'm also looking for another kiddo now. And they're just not sneakerheads. They're not sneakerheads, and I'm cheap as hell. So, you know, if they were sneakerheads and they really wanted those sneakers, I probably would get it for them, but here's what it is. All right, the women's section, super, super pristine. Look at how neat everything is, how in order everything is, but just not finding any heat, dude, unless you guys want to see some Levi's and stuff like that. Not really finding much. All right, gonna head out to a couple more Ross. I think there's 4 Ross next to the Mall of Millennia and the Florida Mall. I think we're gonna go hit those up. It's sunny, then it rains, and then it's kind of sunny again. Humidity's 95%. Man, this is insane. It's like 95 degrees still. All right, do got another Ross. Let's go. And then as soon as I come here, look at this. Kyler Murray jersey. I know Cardinal fans are like, what? What? That's fire. Another Italia jersey. Just kind of fire. Kyler Murray once again. This is a small right here. Oh yeah, what's the price? $40. Dude got a Williams jersey. This is a team apparel, NFL apparel. I was like, this one looks bootleg as hell. Hey, you know, $20. All right, this is a little bit better. Back to Nike. Got a Texans Watson jersey. Now that fool's done, dude. $35. Browns paid them a ton of money. Nike running t-shirt going for $17. If you live in Florida, you don't need to wear anything. You just run with shorts on, right? Because it's so humid outside. $17. Nike sweatshirt, $22. Pretty decent material. Is that a Project Rock shirt? That's fire. Project Rock, $45 down to $13. Does have the digital camo. Okay. And then another Kyler Murray in an XL. Yeah, these are dope, dude. These are dope. It is the pressed on one, but at the price, man, it's you just grab it, dude. If you're a Cardinals fan, you know. Can I just see one pair of fire shorts, please? I just need one. I don't need 20. I don't. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna grab the whole rack. But yeah, definitely a dearth of shorts, Mitchell & Ness shorts. Are they gone? I still see you fools posting it. I'm getting all jealous. But yeah, not really any Mitchell & Ness or any other fire shorts. All right, let's go check out sneakers. Do I need to buy luggage? Do I need to buy a carry-on to take dope stuff home? Not really, because I'm just gonna take it in the Nike bag that I got it from. All right, let's look at some of the sneakers. This is 13 and over. Finding more of these Hokas, the Challenger ATRs. Got several sizes here. One up top right there as well. Lakers Superstars right here. That's a Lakers colorway, right? Wear it with the Mamba jersey. Oh, but the Mamba jersey is Nike, so never mind. $40 for those. And multiple pairs, like 2 more of these. These are all bigger sizes. I want to say size 12 or something. Size 11, 12. Then another one of these hiking shoes right here. Super thick midsole. Anacapa. These are the Anacapas right here. Have to look at the tongue for the name. Oh my goodness. Okay. Got them in 10, 10 and a half. All kinds right there. Got even more. Got an influx of Hoka. Are these all 12s? They're in the size 10 section. I have to go look at the prior ones I saw. Yep, all 12s. Dude, got these bad boys. The Magnico clones going for $40. Pretty fancy looking Under Armour cleats right there. Another one of these pro models. These are low though. We saw high earlier, 25 for those. And then gotta check the slide section. Y'all saw what I mentioned earlier. You guys heard it. Not what I'm looking for here. Right next door, do got a Marshalls. Hustler Hacks has been showing us. Marshall's been cracking. Bobby Thrift has been showing us. Marshall's been cracking. Make sure you guys check out their channels. If you guys are into reselling that type of stuff, and check Marshall's, Ross, all those spots. Let's go. Slides. Nope. Apparently this is the men's activewear. Is that what's over here? Okay, so shorts over here and then activewear on the other side. Looking for sports apparel. Anything good? What is this? That's funny. What's the name? Was just telling me. Balling on a budget. Was just telling me he found one of these. What is this? Is this an extra large? Oh man. 2XL. This is so fire, dude. Mike Allstott. For $50, Mike Allstott. Oh my goodness. I'm such a fan of him. He used to run everybody over. I think there's another one right here. What size is this? What size is this? Tell me it's a large. Maybe. Large might fit me. 49.99 though. These are number 160 though, so maybe. I kind of like Allstott, dude. Allstott was fire as hell. Fire as hell. He used to smash on fools. Big fan of him. You know what? I think you know what? Just because I got these from certain people, I'm gonna post on their Discord as well as tag them on my Instagram. That's what I'm gonna do. Kind of big on me. I swear like the Nike ones fit a little bit more. Not that much more. I think I need to start getting mediums. Nike, I couldn't fit. The neck wouldn't fit because my head is so big. But the newer generation ones, like the 22 and after, I think they changed it so I can fit the mediums. My body's a medium, dude. Like this is huge, dude. No, I don't know. You tell me. Yeah, this is a little big on me. These are fire. I'm gonna put these back though, because it's a little big for me. We got University of Central Florida merch right here. This is pretty fire. It's just a Champion, but is reduced to $8, which is dope. And then do have men's shoes. Will they have anything good though? Do got these bad boys with cycling shoes or something. 26. And these ain't Chucks, you guys. $24. Crocs. What are they letting Crocs go for? $18. Asunas. These are huge though. Size what? 15. Yeah, these are size 15. 20 bucks though. Asunas usually ain't cheap. I got some of these things. 45 bucks. I forgot what these are called. Why am I blanking out on those? The 4 recycled shoes. And that's pretty much about it though. A lot of bare shelves. Do get boxes on some stuff, but not all. All right, let's go hit up. Might have time for 1 or 2 more stores. Got another Ross right next to the Florida Mall. Let's go. I'm just telling you, I don't be seeing heat like that. Oh man, I just don't be seeing heat like this out in LA. But it's a budget. It's a budget jersey, you know. Team apparel, $20. This fool's gone, isn't he? Bunch of the Italia jerseys. Look at this. There's one right there as well. $90 down to $25. Couple of these jerseys. 90 down to 25. I don't know what team it is. BBVA, is that the team? I don't know. Got a few of those in size large. Blackhawks jersey. Oh, this is a Fanatics. This is fire though. Look at this. Look at the quality. It looks pretty solid. Looks pretty solid. I don't think I've ever seen a hockey one. Dang, I was hoping I could see a Kings one. But yeah, this is $30 for this Blackhawks. Is he still with them? I don't know. Another Baker Mayfield. This is a size small. $20 for those. More of these Italia jerseys. Of course, nothing in a medium, my size. Come on, man. Come on, man. You're killing me, man. You're killing me. I wish I had better surround sound. I can hear like kids play fighting with each other and stuff like way far away. Kind of funny. Budget. Ryan jerseys. Do got a Jumpman shirt right here. This is pretty cool. I think this. Oh, it's for a youth. 15 youth. Pretty dope. All right, man. LA Rosses, y'all better step your game up because I've been finding way more stuff here in Orlando. So, man, I better start finding better stuff. I'll do vlogs like this regularly if the stores got heat, man. You know what I'm saying? The ones in LA, they've been all right, but not as good as here. Found like one jersey the whole time I went out. I do got these bad boys. The Dame 7. I don't know who they did the collab with. $25. That's not bad. Dame 7s. Very solid shoe. Size 9.5. Great shoe. Great size. A lot of 9.5 people out there. Do got. Oh man, these are huge. Size what? 14 something? 15. My bad. Size 15. Do got the Jerry Stackhouse right there. These are some interesting wannabe Air Max 95s. This is more what I'm used to. I'm used to stuff like this. This is LA right here. Do got some Vans with flowers on it. $35. Got some Vans with all kinds of different materials. Leather in the interior, tumble leather. That's nice. $35. Size like 13, 12, 13. Got some Kyries that are way too big. Going for 24. That fool found a toy. He so wants that toy. Look at him. He so wants that. He wants to show his parents. That's funny. Oh, yeah. Pro models, $25 for these. More of these Dame 7s. This looks like a 9.5. Yep. Another one of those. Third one. And then got one of these. The Hoka, was it Challenger 86? 86, size 13. Going for $80. Ooh, and then another one of these. I don't think I've seen this colorway. But it's another Challenger ATR 6. And it is $80 once again, man. Too much, too much. Solar glides, full-length boots, $37. Not too bad. I also did check the slide section over there. Didn't see anything. All right, gonna wrap it up, man. I think there's a Burlington right across the way. Let's go there, and then I have to go to the airport. All right, one last trip. The last trip before I head to the airport. Burlington. Place is huge, man. I'm gonna have to do all kinds of walking. What the hell, man? Dang. Men's active. No, that's nothing interesting. Dang it. Super low end España jersey. Is it me or have the Burlingtons cooled down a little bit? Ross has still remained hot. Marshall's starting to heat up. Burlington kind of cooling down a little. Does have McDonald's All-American jersey, 55 down to $10. Is that just a tank top or jersey? I don't know. Despite there being multiple rows, multiple racks, nothing dope in the shorts section at all, man. I went through all of this stuff. Nah, man. Nada. Sneakers. Dang, they got a lot. Let's go. They jacking up the price on New Balance too. Apparently the 880s right here, which is a mid-tier running shoe. Going for way too much at $60. Got another one right there. Got some of those. We've been seeing a ton of those. Terra Tigers. Got some Grant Hills in a colorway I ain't ever seen. Oh, wait. Yeah, I have. Never mind. That's suede. $35. Do not wear suede in Florida because it'll rain all of a sudden without any warning. Man, that's crazy. $35 for those. We are in the size 10. It's either 10.5. Yeah, 10.5. $40 for the Trae Youngs right there. More of the Infinity Tour Next Percents. That is the size 10, $30. Got some Dame 7s. Extra orange, size 9. These are what, 35? More Trae Youngs down there. More of these are not a Converse. And then of course while we're in line we do have to check out the snacks. These are the best wafers in the world. These are just ridiculous. These don't even taste like regular wafers because usually they're all fluffy. This one's more dense but so delicious. And then these are good as well. Yeah, I'm trying not to eat that much right now though. And then of course I got the trolley worms and stuff like that. And classic are the pandas. Those are fire. If you want 5 pounds of freaking gummy bears, they got those. And they got coffee and stuff too, which is actually a really good deal here. Popcorn, all the different Keurig stuff. Really good deals, man.